आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
5 identical pieces of wire are soldered together end to end to form one longer wire with the pieces overlapping by 4 cm at each joint. If the wire thus made is exactly 1 meter long, how long in centimeters is each of the identical pieces? Now, in this question, it is given that the wire will have 4 contact points soldered, and since each overlapping joint is 4 centimeter, so the total length of the joint is So the total length of the joint is 16, that is 4 into 4. Now length of the wire is given, which is equals to 1 meter, which is equals to 100 centimeter. Fine. Therefore the total length of the wire, including the joints, is equals to 116. Why 116? Because we are adding 100 to 16. So this is equals to 116. Therefore, the total length of each piece is 116 divided by 5. Why we are dividing it by 5? Because we have given in the question that 5 identical pieces of wires. So we are dividing simply 116 by 5, which is equals to 23.2 centimeter. So as you see from the 4 options listed here, C is the correct answer. Fine.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।